In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter in HubSpot. Whether you're reaching out to a growing audience or keeping your existing subscribers engaged, crafting a well-thought-out newsletter is key. Let's dive right in. Firstly, you'll want to access your email tool within HubSpot. Begin by navigating over to the Marketing tab, then select Email from the drop-down menu. Here, you'll click on Create Email. For most users, selecting regular email is the ideal choice as it suits a standard newsletter format. However, if you're planning to integrate your newsletter into a workflow, consider opting for Automated. Next, it's time to choose your layout. HubSpot provides a variety of pre-designed templates that are ready for use, including a dedicated newsletter template. But if you're feeling creative or want something tailored to your specific needs, the drag-and-drop builder allows you to start from scratch and design your very own masterpiece. Moving on to the design and customization phase, this is where you'll add your content. Use the drag-and-drop components to seamlessly insert text, images, and buttons. Each element can be easily tweaked to ensure cohesion and appeal. Beyond basic content, you can further enhance the newsletter's design by adjusting the layout, choosing a background color, tweaking text styles, and perfecting button appearances to match your brand identity. To make your newsletter feel personal and engaging, use personalization tokens. For example, including the recipient's first name in the greeting can make your content resonate more personally with your audience. Now let's set up the email settings. You'll need to define the from name and email address. This is crucial as it represents the face of your communication. Craft an engaging subject line that grabs attention at first glance, and complement it with the preview text to ensure a positive first impression. Don't forget about important details like selecting the appropriate subscription type and office location. Critically, you'll need to choose the recipient list. Make sure you've selected the target audience you intend to reach with your newsletter. Before finalizing, take advantage of HubSpot's ability to test and preview your newsletter. This feature allows you to see how the content looks across different devices and simulate how it will appear to various contacts. Testing ensures your content is polished and ready to dazzle. Once you're satisfied, it's time to either send the newsletter or schedule it for later. Sending immediately is straightforward if you're ready to go live. However, scheduling can offer strategic advantages, like sending at peak times or aligning with recipient time zones. Lastly, track your newsletter's performance. After hitting send, HubSpot provides insightful data, such as open rates and click-through rates. These metrics are essential for understanding engagement and refining future content. By following these steps, you'll be poised to create effective, engaging newsletters that captivate your audience and drive results.